Prince Siddhartha Gautama, born in 563 BCE in Lumbini, lived a life of luxury in Kapilavastu's palace. Despite material abundance, he felt profound existential unease. At 29, witnessing old age, sickness, and death outside palace walls shattered his illusions. Historical texts describe his agitation as he questioned life's fleeting pleasures under a banyan tree, a pivotal moment preceding his spiritual quest. This restlessness, documented in the Arya-Paryasana Sutta, drove him to abandon royal privileges in search of eternal truth. For 6 years, Siddhartha practiced extreme asceticism with 5 companions in Bihar's forests, reducing his food to 1 grain of rice daily. The Majjhima Nikaya records his emaciated body like a skeleton covered with skin. Near death, he realized self-mortification clouded rather than clarified the mind. This breakthrough, depicted in Buddhist art as the middle way epiphany, occurred when Sujata, a village woman, offered him rice milk, symbolizing balance between indulgence and deprivation. Under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, Siddhartha adopted a new posture, spine erect, yet relaxed, hands in dhyana mudra. Neuroscientific studies now confirm this position optimizes alertness and calm. The Pali Canon describes how he recalled childhood meditation under a rose apple tree. Realizing enlightenment requires neither luxury nor pain. As the Jataka tales note, this middle path allowed him to observe thoughts without attachment, a technique modern mindfulness apps like Headspace later popularized globally. During his final meditation, Siddhartha faced Ngara, a personification of doubt and temptation. The Buddha Charita describes Mara sending armies of demons and seductive daughters to distract him. When weapons transformed into flowers upon touching his aura, Siddhartha invoked the earth as witness, Bhumi Sparsha Mudra, symbolizing unwavering resolve. This moment, depicted in temple murals worldwide, represents neuroscience's extinction learning, where repeated mindful exposure to fears diminishes their power. At dawn on Vesakh's full moon, Siddhartha attained enlightenment, not through dramatic Hollywood-style explosions, but via subtle insight into dependent origination. The Samyutta Nikaya records his realization. When this is, that arises. Modern fMRI scans show advanced meditators exhibit gamma-wave synchrony, brain regions communicating seamlessly. Buddha's faint smile post-enlightenment, seen in Gandhara sculptures, reflects this unforced awareness, the trick being that wisdom emerges when striving ceases, like a lotus rising undisturbed from muddy water.